Scientific notation operations. When adding or subtracting numbers in scientific notation, make sure the exponents are the same. 3 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 5 times 10 to the power of 4 equals 8 times 10 to the power of 4. 7.2 times 10 to the power of 5 minus 2.1 times 10 to the power of 5 equals 5.1 times 10 to the power of 5. Now, let's try adding numbers with different exponents. We convert 3 times 10 squared into 0.3 times 10 cubed, then add. Now, subtraction with different exponents. Convert 2 times 10 cubed into 0.2 times 10 to the fourth, then subtract. To multiply numbers in scientific notation, multiply the base numbers and add the exponents. Multiply 2 times 4 to get 8, and add the exponents. 3 plus 5 equals 8. To divide numbers in scientific notation, divide the base numbers and subtract the exponents. Divide 6 by 2 to get 3, and subtract the exponents. 7 minus 3 to get 4.